Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to hide Instagram in Vivo Y19. If you are using Vivo Y19 and now you want to hide your Instagram, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings app, and here you just have to search for app hiding. Just search for the setting and then tap on it. It will be open. You just have to verify yourself with fingerprint, and then this type interface will appear. You just have to select app hiding, and here you have to select Instagram. Here's the Instagram app. You have to enable the setting. Just enable it, and here tap on confirm. In this way you can easily hide your Instagram app. Here you can see there is no any app like Instagram in the app menu. Now you want to see your hidden apps. Let's see how can you show this. You just have to look for the setting here. Here's the setting, which is swipe up with two fingers on the home screen to view hidden apps. So go to home screen, and here swipe up with two fingers, and this interface will appear. You just have to verify yourself and your hidden apps will appear here. So that's how you can easily hide Instagram on Vivo Y19. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.